the Montefelsiano. She was born in 1268 and embraced the religious life at an early age. Because of her precocious wisdom and sanity, she became a superior of her community at the age of 15. Later, she founded a monastery and dominican nuns at the Montefelsiano and began to experience progress. She died in 1370 at the age of 39 and was canonized in 1726. Santa Ines de Monteverde. The Montefelsiano Priests. The English was founded by Mr. Erickson Serra